Traditional PIM troubleshooting is not effective. It eats into your profitability and wastes precious time. Stealth fighter-inspired technology adapted for the telecom industry. They're thin, strong, and very easy to install. While traditional methods temporarily treat the symptom, installing IsoTruss PIM armor panels at the backplane or parapet walls permanently addresses PIM at the source. One time for the whole lifetime of the antenna. In real deployments, IsoTruss has delivered up to 25 dB of attenuation and reduced installation time by as much as 70%. The IsoTruss panels install very quickly, no mess. It fits tight spaces and can be modified on site, and stands up to weather, sun, and water. Adopt the IsoTruss technology for your PIM mitigation troubleshooting today.